students, today I want to discuss about the Coulomb's law, which is very important topic of electrostatics. So first of all, I want to discuss about the electrostatics in front of you. So everyone please pay attention on the board. Electrostatics. What's the meaning of electrostatics? That is a study of charge at rest. That is the meaning of electrostatics, everyone. Okay. So but today I want to discuss about Coulomb's law. This is very important topic for JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET also. Very important topic, Coulomb's law. So what's the Coulomb's law? According to this law, if we have two charges Q and Q2 and the separation is R, so force varies as like Q and Q2 and inversely proportional to R square. If we combine these two equations, so we can write Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Everyone please pay attention. F is equal to, we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. For your kind information, I tell you, this is a force between the charges. Force between the charges in vacuum. Vacuum meaning is that there is no medium, okay, and epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Permittivity of free space. I want to discuss about some points. That is Coulombian force. Coulombian force is a central force. What's the meaning of central force? The meaning of central force is this: force acts along the line joining the charges. Line joining the charges. Everyone please pay attention. We can write also the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. That is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Is that clear? So now second point is, if we have the charges Q1 and Q2 in the medium, and now this separation is R. This is completely a medium. Is that clear? The medium permittivity, that is permittivity is E epsilon, and the value of epsilon is epsilon naught epsilon R. Okay, so everyone please write everything which I have written on the board. Please write. So second point I was discussing about, that is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Means Q1 and Q2 are in medium. Dear everyone, we can see that F dash is equal to F upon epsilon R. Means that is F dash is less than what? Is F. In a medium, that force is reducing. Now also we can write some point like F dash is, we can write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R effective to the whole square. So what's the meaning of, what's the value of R effective? R effective square is equal to epsilon R square. Actually I have written R effective instead of epsilon R into R square. So what's the value of R effective? This will be equal to epsilon R and R. Is that clear everyone? So now I want to discuss, that is vector form. Third point of Coulomb's law, that is vector form of Coulomb's law. Vector form of Coulomb's law. Okay everyone? So we have charges Q1 and Q2. The force or Q2 will act towards right F21, and on this force this will be F12. These two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. How we can write the value, that is F12 or F21 magnitude, in the form of vector K Q1 Q2 divided by R square and R cap, means force acts along the line joining the charges. Okay everyone? So I want to discuss simple question based on electrostatics, that is Coulomb's law.